superstars, in today's course we'll be talking about the best time to buy palm oil for palm oil storage business and palm oil reselling. As a beginner starting palm oil storage business, you need to know that there is time for everything. There's time for absolutely everything, including palm oil business. Okay, my superstars. All right. So, and your success in palm oil business lies in your ability to know the right time to buy palm oil for storage and reselling. A lot of people have been reaching out to me. I want to start palm oil storage business. I want to start palm oil reselling. For those who are going into palm oil storage business, I'll tell them no, now is not the right time to buy palm oil for storage. As a beginner, you don't just wake up and hey, now is the time. You rush, go buy your jerry cans, set up your store, and next thing you go buy palm oil. No, if you do that, my superstars, you realize that you make little or no profit after sales. You'll find out that you expend so much energy, and at the end of the day, after deducing your cost of transportation and all other internal costs, you realize that you make little or no profit at all. That's because you bought it at the wrong time. Okay, my superstars, everybody wants to make sales. So as a beginner, if you happen to tell the wrong person that you want to start palm oil storage business, even if it's not the right time, they'll tell you, yes, come and buy. You buy the palm oil, store it, and after sales, you realize that you made no profit. Only genuine people will tell you, hey, wait, now is not the time. When it's time, I'll tell you, okay? So in this video, I'll be telling you the right time to buy palm oil for palm oil storage and reselling. And at the end of this video, I'll share with you a secret. So my superstars, don't go away. Stay with me till the end of this video. I'm your girl, Idon Isitinyang, and I talk about businesses you can do online and offline to make money. So if you love this kind of content, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Please, my superstar, don't forget to turn on your notification bell for notifications whenever there's a new video. My superstars, let's start from the basics. Every food product has a season of abundance and scarcity. Same applies to palm oil. Palm oil has a season of abundance and scarcity. Palm oil is abundant mostly during harvest. During harvest of palm fruits, you see palm oil is available because the palm fruits are processed to extract palm oil. Okay, my superstars. So you find palm oil readily available. And palm oil is scarce during when there are no palm fruits to harvest palm oil from. During that period, all you have is mostly stored palm oil and little or no palm fruits to extract palm oil from. Palm oil is scarce mostly during rainy season. The reason is because during rainy season, palm fruits do not ripen on palm trees. All you see is just palm fruits there, but they are not ripe enough to be harvested. And during rainy season, palm trees are very, very slippery. As such, farmers cannot climb up to go and harvest palm fruits. So, in rainy season, you tend to have scarcity of palm oil. But in dry season, you tend to gradually, as you gain entrance into dry season, gradually, you realize that palm oil is more available gradually because the palm fruits will start ripening. During dry season, palm fruits ripen from end of October, November, December. You find out that you start having fresh palm fruits gradually, and from January, February, you realize that you tend to have more palm fruits. Yes, the sun helps palm fruits ripen, and also during dry season from January, February, There's no rain. As such, palm trees are no longer wet. It is dry enough for farmers to be able to climb up and harvest palm fruits. So from January, you tend to realize that gradually there's an influx of palm oil into the market, and gradually the price reduces. It reduces, and as such, you tend to have palm oil in abundance gradually. There are other factors that reduce the price of palm oil and help you buy palm oil. There are factors that determine the best time to buy palm oil. One of such is what happened in this country. When there was scarcity of physical cash to buy physical cash in Nigeria 2023, there was a reduction in the price of palm oil because there was palm oil was harvested and few people had money to buy palm oil. So those you realize that at that period, people who had physical cash to buy palm oil bought palm oil as low as 9,000 naira, 10,000 naira from the village market and even lower from the mill. Okay, my superstars, palm oil is mostly bought with physical cash because you are dealing with village women and market women. They don't know anything about transfer and all that. So in that period where there was scarcity of price, there was a reduction in the price of palm oil. As such, that was a perfect time for people who are going into palm oil storage and palm oil reselling to buy and keep. So, in palm oil storage, you need to monitor the market. As such, the best time to buy palm oil was that period in which there was an influx of palm oil and little or no people to buy palm oil. Okay, my superstars. All right. So, for people who are into buying and reselling, there is actually no best time to buy palm oil. You can buy at any time. Your success in buying and reselling of palm oil lies in your ability to sell very fresh palm oil. If you sell fresh palm oil, you will realize that you will sell out quickly. Your success in reselling lies in doing a quick turnover. A quick turnover, you buy at a profit of maybe 1,200, 2,000, sell off, go back, buy at 2,000 or 1,005, sell off. Your success is in doing a quick turnover, and gradually the profits accumulate and you make massive profits. Okay, my superstars. But for people who are going into palm oil storage business, the best time to buy palm oil for storage is from end of February, March, April, and sometimes early May. You need to monitor the market. There's no exact timing. You need to monitor the market to know when the price will reduce. It could reduce for a day and by the next day it has increased. The price of palm oil fluctuates. Yes, it fluctuates. One can tell you by morning that palm oil is 10,000 naira, and by evening you hear that the price of palm oil is 11,000 naira. That's because the price of palm oil fluctuates. It is not steady. It has no fixed price. Okay, my superstars. So you need to be on alert and monitor the market to know when the price drops so you can buy and store. Okay, my superstars. So right now I'll be sharing with you the secrets to making maximum profits if you are reselling. If you are reselling, you can actually store palm oil when the price has reduced. In a season of abundance, you can buy lots and lots of palm oil and store it. Don't say that you're doing reselling so you can buy fresh palm oil every day, go and resell, buy fresh palm oil, go and resell it. In its season of abundance, you can make good use of that opportunity and buy palm oil and store. You could store it for like 2 to 3 months since you are reselling, and by then it would have accumulated like 3,000 or 4,000 naira on top. Then you add your present profit and resell. Okay, my superstars, that is an excellent way to make profits if you are reselling. So a superstar reached out to me that she was doing reselling of palm oil, but she realized that so many people were reselling at a price lower than hers, that she was buying at a high price, and as such, if she were to sell as low as those people, she wouldn't make any profit. And the reason those people were able to sell very, very low is because they bought palm oil when the price was reduced and stored it. So they had accumulated enough profit. So when they were reselling, they were able to make so much profit and could afford to reduce the prices to be able to attract more customers and sell off. That's why I said that as a reseller, in your season, in the season of abundance for palm oil, you can actually buy palm oil and also store as well. And then with time, you sell it off. By then, it would have accumulated enough profit on it. You sell it off, you resell it off. Okay, my superstars. As such, you wouldn't have to bother about the price at so much. Okay, my superstars. All right. And for those who are into storage, like I said, the best time is from end of February, March, April, and May. The secret to your success in palm oil storage business lies in your ability to buy when the price is low and to sell when the price is high. Buy when the price is low and sell when the price is high. Okay, my superstars, like this year, so many people bought palm oil at 14, 12, 10,000 naira. And as far as I know right now, palm oil is as high as 24,000. Okay, my superstars, some 25,000. So you can imagine the profits they have incurred so far. Okay, my superstars. So the secret to making profit in palm oil storage business is buying when the price is low and selling when the price is high. Okay, my superstars, if you have not subscribed, please take a second to hit that subscribe button, like, and share this video. Please, my superstar, share this video. Thank you, so that this video can reach out to so many people who need this knowledge as well. Okay, my superstar, so in our next video, I'll be sharing with you states in which you can get palm oil in large quantities. There are states in Nigeria that have palm oil in abundance, and as such, the price is low where you can buy and sell and make maximum profit. Okay, so in our next video, I'll be sharing with you states in which you can buy palm oil and sell as a beginner. All right, my superstars, so keep updates until our next video. Always and always remember that I love you.